Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you still on the fence about doing paid Facebook advertising for your home business? Well, pay close attention because in this video, we're going to break down the differences between traditional advertising on Facebook for free versus paid Facebook advertising, and we're going to help you decide which one is best for you. But before we get into that, there's two things I want you to do for me. Number one, I want you to make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel. You can do that in either one or two ways. Number one, you can either hit the button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen that says subscribe, and you can become a subscriber that way, or you can go to drlisamthompson.com/subscribe. I create content on almost a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Secondly, stay with me until the end of this presentation because I have a free training for you that will show you exactly what to do to get your first Facebook ad up and running, getting you results right away. So let's get down to it. Do you do Facebook advertising or do you start with free methods? Well, first, before we get into that, let's talk about what is going to be the key to having a successful online business, whether you're going to go the free route or the paid route. You need to focus on this simple formula. You need to build an audience and engage your audience before you can sell to your audience. You see, the reason why 97% of home business owners fail to generate leads, reps, and customers for your business using either the free or paid method is that they go immediately to selling first. They don't take the time to build and engage an audience first. And that's what makes Facebook so effective, is that you can literally build and engage an audience very quickly. So let's talk about the free method using Facebook. Now, I know a lot of successful home business owners who have built 6- and 7-figure businesses using free methods. So Facebook is still the #1 social media platform that everybody gets on first when they're getting started with social media. And it is just an amazing place where you can find people to talk to about your business. And there are many great ways that you can do that. You can go into Facebook groups, you can like fan pages where you can meet people, you can do curiosity posts on your profile that people will want to come out and interact with you. But here is the challenge that comes with doing free Facebook advertising. It is time consuming. So if you're someone who doesn't have a lot of time to devote to building your business, especially if you only have like maybe an hour or two, it's going to take some time for you to get results and build those relationships because you're going to have to do a lot of searching through Facebook groups and through fan pages. And with a lot of challenges that come up in Facebook group prospecting is that there's lots of people out there who are putting out, they're literally spamming the groups that go in there, and they are, they're putting links to their opportunity and sales pages everywhere. So you have to really scroll through a lot of those groups to find quality people that you want to start conversations with and help. The other challenge with Facebook groups is that a lot of people now, especially group admins, people who start the Facebook groups, they're really cracking down on people, especially home business owners, where they're saying you really have to go through and read the rules, where they're kicking people out if you mention anything with regards to your product or service in Facebook groups. So you have to be careful when you're going in there and you're talking to people and you're not showing, you're not revealing your company name or your products or anything like that. So that takes time. And free over time can be more expensive because you can't get that time back. You can always make more money in a short period of time, but getting that time back, you never get back. Okay, so that is the disadvantage doing free methods. Now, what paid Facebook advertising does, see, back in the day, before there was Facebook and the internet, most people, when they would do paid advertising, they'd put an ad in the paper or in other magazines or publications. They can be very pricey, and you had to wait a long time to see if you were going to get any response. What's great about Facebook, paid Facebook advertising, is that you can find out in real time how effective your ad is. You can do it for as little as $5 a day, and you can be ultra targeted. And see, what Facebook does is it makes it very easy to set up an ad where you're targeting a specific audience. So if you're going to be doing Facebook advertising, it's absolutely imperative that you know who your market is and what their big problem is that you're attempting to solve. Okay? Because if you don't know who your audience is and how to engage them with an ad, you're going to lose money. So when you know and Facebook can make it so specific and detailed, they will put your ad in front of that person you're describing. And then what happens is there, people who are looking for you, okay, through that ad are going to reach out to you. So if you're somebody who only has, an hour or two to build your business, you want to be focusing on talking to people who want to know more about what you have to offer, whether it's your product, service, or business. Okay? So the ad is the sifting and sorting mechanism. So if people see your ad, they're like raising their hand and saying, yes, I want to know more. Okay? So instead of you seeking out people, with advertising, they're seeking you out. So imagine waking up in the morning and you've got people who are wanting, sending you Facebook messages saying, hey, I want to know more about what you're doing. Now, I do Facebook advertising, and I only run an ad for 1 week, and I do it at the beginning of the week. It's a simple $5 ad, and this is one of my income streams where I'm targeting diabetics because I'm a diabetic myself. And with that particular ad, because I know specifically who my audience is, I get 100 leads from that ad in a week. So I have 100 new people to talk to every month about my product, service, and business. So that's what makes that wonderful, okay? Because now you're making, you're serving, time is serving you now, where you have that, only, an hour or two, and now you can sit down and talk to those people who are truly interested in what you have to offer. So with that said, I strongly suggest if you are part-time and you don't have a lot of time to devote to building your business, I would start with paid Facebook advertising over the free, okay? Because that's going to give you results quicker in the short term. So if you're looking right now, and as promised, like I said, I have a free presentation to give you. It's a Facebook ad training where you're going to sit down and learn from one of the best Facebook advertisers. They're going to show you a very simple 3-step formula of how to structure your first ad on a $5 budget, okay? You're going to build that ad where you can get you 1,000 fans quickly, but more importantly, how to turn those 1,000 fans into targeted prospects, customers, and reps for your business. So to get access to that training, all you need to do is go to drlisamthompson.com/presentation and then enter in your information, and you will get access to that training right away. And when you sign up for that training, you're also going to get a free PDF. It's a $27 value, which is also going to give you a checklist and walk you through exactly what you need to do to set your Facebook ad up step by step so that you can get results right away. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in for the next video.